Beginners over 50 are making 3K per month online with this simple plan. Yes, even if they're starting from zero. If you've ever thought, I'm too late, I'm not tech savvy, I've missed the online wave, then I need you to stay with me here because today I'm going to show you the exact simple framework that beginners over 50 are using to consistently bring in $3,000 a month. And it's not what you think. And before this video ends, I'm going to share with you the one shift that matters more than strategy, and it might surprise you. I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of two. I'm a professional woman over 60 that didn't grow up with social media, funnels, or fancy tech tools. I started my online business later in life. And what I discovered is that maturity isn't a disadvantage, it's actually your edge. But only if you structure things the right way. Let's talk about how. What if the reason you haven't started is because you've been shown the wrong model? Most beginners think they need a big following, complicated funnels, and daily posting on every platform. You don't. The simple 3K per month plan starts with promoting one simple digital product or program that already converts, instead of creating everything from scratch. For example, when you promote a digital program that pays $300 to $600 per sale, you only need 5 to 10 sales per month to hit 3,000. That's not 1,000 customers. That's not going viral. That's a small, focused audience. But here's the question most people ask. How do you get those first 5 sales when you're brand new? Hold that thought, we're getting there. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You don't need a big following, complicated funnels, or posting every day on every social media platform. You need to plug in to a working system. And beginners over 50 are doing exactly that every single day. Ready to learn more right now? Grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks this down step by step. Now let me ask you something. What if your life experience is actually your marketing advantage? Instead of chasing trends, you build a simple authority presence. That can be YouTube, simple short form content, or even email. And no, you don't need to be flashy. You need clarity and consistency. When you create helpful content around one simple topic, beginner online income, confidence over 50, starting fresh later in life, you attract the exact people who resonate with you. And when even 1 to 3 people per week move forward with your recommendation, that's where 3K per month becomes realistic. And what do you actually say in your content if you're brand new? And that's the part that most beginners freeze on, and we're about to fix that. Just remember, you're not behind, you're positioned, and your calm authority is more powerful than you realize. What if you didn't have to pretend to be an expert? Instead of teaching what you don't know, you document what you're learning. You share what you're setting up, what confused you, what worked, and what didn't. That relatability builds trust faster than polished perfection ever could. People follow progress, and when they see you taking simple steps, having small wins, then they lean in for more information. And small wins compound. 1 sale, then 2 sales, then 5. But here's something very important. Why do some beginners stay consistent long enough to reach 3K and others quit after week 3? You don't need to be ahead. You just need to be 1 step in front of someone else, and that's enough. Want to see how this all connects? I've got you covered. Download my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact step-by-step plan I followed to go from zero to earning online. If you tried to build 5 income streams at once, you'll end up building none. The simple 3K per month plan focuses on one. One offer, one audience, and one traffic source, not 5. Let's do some simple math. If your commission is 500, you need 6 sales per month. That's roughly 1 to 2 sales per week. When you simply focus, those numbers stop feeling overwhelming. But how long does it take to reach consistency? I'll be honest about that in just one moment. Focus creates momentum. Scattered effort creates frustration. Choose one lane and stay in it long enough to see results. This might be the most important part of this entire video. Beginners over 50 who reach 3K per month don't ask, will this work? They ask, how long am I willing to work this? They decide before they see results. Most people will quit at 30 to 60 days. The ones who treat this like a real business are the ones who stabilize income. And when that 3K per month becomes predictable, confidence changes everything. But here's my question for you. What is your biggest hesitation around starting an online income over 50? Is it tech? Is it confidence? Is it fear of judgment? Tell me in the comments below. I read every single one, and I want to know where you're starting from. And because your answer might help someone else too. Age is not a barrier. Indecision is. And once you commit to a simple, focused plan, 3K per month becomes a milestone, not a fantasy. If you've been waiting for permission to begin, this is it. You do not need to be younger. You do not need to be more tech savvy. You do not need to be perfect. You need a simple plan and the decision to follow it long enough for it to work. And if this message resonates with you, make sure you subscribe, because next I'm going to break down with you exactly what to post your first 30 days step by step. And that may be a piece that makes everything click. Now that you know the simple 3K per month online plan, if you're over 50 and starting from zero, you might want to learn the best passive income strategy for 2026. It all starts by watching this next video, because when you pair what you just learned with what's on the next video, it's going to be way more powerful. See you on the next video.